Hey, what's up guys? Today we will be making a very cute patriotic wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a wreath ring, and this is 14 inches. I have this really gorgeous shimmer sparkle ribbon, and it's 2.5 inches in width. And then I have some very patriotic red, white, and blue Deco mesh. Again, the Deco mesh is now in 4 yards instead of 5, so plan accordingly. And then this is actually from last year. See, the old Deco mesh that I have from last year is still 5 yards. And this is the new Deco mesh from this year, and it's 4 yards. So you can kind of see the comparison there. Alright, scissors and a rotary cutter. You will also need some chenille stems. You can definitely go with like a sparkly red, white, and blue or whatever, but I have a ton of white ones, so I'm just going to stick with these. Alright, let's get started. So, we are just taking the Deco mesh and cutting it into 8-inch long pieces. You are also going to take your ribbon and cut it into 8-inch long pieces. Okay, so we have the Deco mesh in 8-inch long pieces as well as the ribbon. And now this part is optional, but what I'm going to do with the ribbon is ribbon cut the end. So I just fold it in half, open end at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Do the same to the other side. Open it at the bottom, fold at the top. Just like that. So I'm going to do this with all of the ribbon. And so I have the Deco mesh cut, I have the ribbon cut. Now I'm going to start placing it in bundles. So each bundle is going to consist of 2 of the thick stripe Deco mesh, 1 of the thinner stripe Deco mesh, and 1 piece of ribbon. Again, change it up as much as you'd like. So I'm going to roll the first piece, and I'm going to roll the other Deco mesh, and then roll the last piece and flip it so that I have all different colors showing. And take the ribbon, and we're just going to scrunch all of it just like that. Take your chenille stem, twist it, just like that. So again, I will make my bundles and then I will place them on the ring. And so this bundle, I'm not going to add the ribbon because I'm going to alternate the ribbon. I don't think I need the ribbon in every single bundle. So I'll alternate ribbon, no ribbon, ribbon, no ribbon. So the bundle without the ribbon is just going to look like this. So we'll get all of those done. So again, 2 of the stripe and 1 of the thinner stripes and 1 piece of ribbon, chenille stem of course, and we're just rolling, roll, and roll the last one. Place your ribbon right on top and scrunch it all together. And twist the chenille stem in place. Just like that. So I'm going to get them all done and then we'll start placing them on the ring. Alright, so now I have all of my bundles. I have a total of 30 bundles. I have 15 bundles with the ribbon and 15 bundles without the ribbon. And I'm just going to alternate these bundles. So I have ribbon, no ribbon, ribbon, no ribbon. So 3 pieces of Deco mesh and 1 piece of ribbon in these bundles. And only the 3 pieces of Deco mesh in these bundles. And again, I'm going to alternate them out. So I'm going to go ahead and get those placed on the ring. I have my first bundle with the ribbon. Going to find the inner 2 rings and place it around the inner 2 rings and twist it in place. Just like that. Then I'll go with just the mesh the bundle with just the mesh and twist it into place. And then come back to the ribbon. So you see I'm alternating ribbon, no ribbon, ribbon, no ribbon. So I have that twisted in place. You can see how it's starting to look. So again, I'm just alternating. If you choose to put ribbon in each bundle, that's completely up to you. Or if you want to leave the ribbon out altogether, again, completely up to you. So cute and adorable. And this is only 2 sections. I have 4 more to go. So this is the last one, and you kind of have to push everything over to get it in there because it gets pretty tight. Again, 5 bundles in each section, alternating ribbon, no ribbon, ribbon, no ribbon. Alright, and then I'm just adjusting, making sure everything looks right, everything looks nice. So cute. Right, so adorable. And so it's kind of wild and crazy on the back. What I do to kind of tame the chenille stems, I just twist them in no specific way. I just gather all of them and twist them down so that they're not sticking out everywhere. Again, if you want to use shorter chenille stems, you can do that as well. There we go, nice and neat. And you are all done. So cute and patriotic. And all items were purchased at the dollar store.